You wake up and you're already tired. Your stomach feels heavy. Your jeans fit tighter, even though you didn't overeat. The bloating, the brain fog, the sluggish digestion. People tell you it's just getting older, or maybe your hormones, or just stress. But deep down, you know something isn't right. Here's the part that most people miss. Your liver might be clogged, backed up, sluggish, and quietly sabotaging your metabolism, your energy, and your mood. And the fix? It's not a green juice cleanse or a 20-step supplement stack. It's something much simpler. Something your grandmother probably used on her scalp to make her hair grow back thicker and shinier. Castor oil. Turns out this old school remedy isn't just for split ends. Used the right way, castor oil can help flush the fat, unclog your liver, and even flatten that stubborn belly. Stick with me, because this might be the missing step no one told you about. The truth about a fatty liver? Picture a marble steak. All those tiny streaks of fat laced through the meat. Now imagine that in your liver. That's exactly what a fatty liver looks like. It's not just coated in fat, it's infused with it. The fat gets trapped inside the liver cells, squeezing them, distorting them, and choking their ability to work. And here's the problem. Trying to detox with a fatty liver is like trying to wash dishes with a sponge full of bacon grease. You're not cleaning anything. You're just smearing the mess around. And that's exactly what happens when fat builds up inside your liver. The more fat there is, the less your liver can filter, flush, and metabolize. Everything slows down. Hormones back up. You gain belly fat, your energy crashes, and your mood tanks. We call this fatty liver, and it doesn't just happen from alcohol. It can come from too much sugar, refined carbs, toxic oils like canola or soybean. It can come from medications, plastics, and pesticides, even chronic stress. And once the liver gets overloaded, weight loss becomes nearly impossible because the organ that's supposed to burn fat is now storing it. So why does castor oil work without drinking it? Now, castor oil is famous for one thing. It makes things move. Take it internally and it'll clear your bowels fast. But when it comes to healing your liver, there's a better way. A smarter way, through your skin. And here's how to do it. Rub a layer of organic cold pressed castor oil over the last few ribs on your right side. That's the area right over your liver. And place a castor oil pack directly on top of it. If you've never used one before, here's what it is. A castor oil pack is a soft, reusable wrap that holds the oil against your skin without making a mess. It's usually made of a flannel or cotton inner layer that soaks up the oil. A leak-resistant outer layer is on top of it to protect your clothes and sheets with adjustable straps so that it stays in place. These packs are washable, reusable, and super convenient, especially if you want to wear them overnight. You can find them online by searching the internet for an organic castor oil pack. They usually run between $20 and $40, and one can last for many months. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can still get started using what you already have. A soft cotton cloth or flannel shirt, a towel to cover over it, and an old t-shirt or bandage wrap to hold everything in place. Once the castor oil and the pack are in place, slip over an old shirt as the castor oil stains. Then get comfy and let your body relax. To enhance absorption, apply a gentle warmth, like with a hot water bottle or freshly heated towel. Never use an electric heating pad. Let it sit for 45 to 60 minutes right before bed. No need to wipe the oil off afterwards. In fact, it's better if you don't. Just go straight to bed and let the oil continue working while you sleep. And what's happening while you sleep? Castor oil doesn't just sit on the surface. It penetrates through the skin and stimulates healing deep within. It helps your liver by boosting blood flow, like unclogging the pipes. It stimulates lymphatic drainage to flush out the waste. It increases bile production to break down fats and remove toxins. And it reduces inflammation to allow repair to begin. And it also activates detox pathways, especially phase 2 liver detox, where the real cleanup happens. Imagine your liver like a sponge soaked in bacon grease. You can't detox that. You have to squeeze it, rinse it, reset it. That's what castor oil does, gently but powerfully. It's like giving your liver a deep tissue massage while you sleep. And when your liver starts flowing again, everything else does too. Better digestion, less bloating, clearer skin, more energy, and for many, a shrinking waistline. So how do you do a castor oil liver pack? Step by step? First off, you'll need the following: organic cold pressed castor oil, a castor oil pack, or a soft flannel cloth or cotton pad and a towel, a hot water bottle or freshly warmed towel, no heating pad. And here are the steps. Soak the cloth with castor oil. Not dripping, just saturated. Also, put a little bit on your skin as well. Lay the cloth over the right side of your abdomen, just over your last few ribs. You cover it with a towel or the castor oil pack to protect the clothing or the bedding. You add your hot water bottle or warm towel on top of it, and then relax for 45 to 60 minutes. Breathe deeply and let your body receive. You can repeat this 3 to 5 times per week for best results. You're using warmth, not electricity, which supports your healing without EMFs or added stress. And how you'll know it's working? Here's the fun side effects. Side effects of a healthy liver? The whites of your eyes whiten. Your poop? Smoother. More satisfying. Bloating? Gone. Energy? Up. Mood is now stable. Your focus? Sharper. That 3 p.m. crash? Less frequent. And for many, belly fat starts to shrink. You may even wake up with purpose, like your body's finally saying, thanks, I got this now. But here's the truth. The only thing that can truly fix the liver is the liver itself. But it can't do that when it's buried in fat, toxins, and inflammation. Castor oil gives it a second chance, a reset. When you clear the mess, the liver starts doing what it was built to do. And that's filter, detox, burn fat, balance hormones, energize your brain. And once it's back online, everything changes. Don't underestimate this old school remedy. It's cheap, it's easy, and for many, it's the missing piece. If you want to learn about my full liver rebuild diet protocol that I recommend for dropping liver fat and getting your energy back, make sure to subscribe and check the next video in this series. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried castor oil packs before? What happened? This is the Rest of the Story Health channel, because symptoms are just clues, and your liver might be the one holding the map. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video gave you something valuable to take away. Your next step is just one click away. Check out our next video right here. And if you want to join this community and see more content like this, hit subscribe and give it a like. I truly appreciate the support.